How's it going, guys? I'm Suzuki Ninja Taro. Let's see what to do when you make a mistake on a narrow road, with a ninja by your side. Point. If your car hits an obstacle, that's a dangerous mistake. In most cases, you won't pass the test. As long as you correct the mistake in time and avoid contact, passing the test is still possible. When the front of vehicle cannot pass. If you do make a mistake, stop immediately. Make sure it's safe, and then reverse carefully to fix your position. Check safety right and left back side before reversing. Turn the wheel in the opposite direction and reverse. Immediately, before stopping, return back the steering wheel to the moving direction. While maintaining a safe distance in front of the vehicle, adopt the correct line. Common mistake. If you do not turn the wheel, you would not be able to go through again. Point. When a wheel went up on the curb but you did not notice and proceed for a long distance. The exam will not be successful. However, if you just lightly touch the curb and stop on your own to reverse, you still have a chance to pass. When rear of vehicle cannot pass. If you do make a mistake, stop immediately. Make sure it's safe, and then reverse carefully to fix your position. Check safety right and left back side before reversing. Reverse without turning the wheel. Moving slowly is good. Return the wheel immediately before the vehicle becomes parallel to the road. While maintaining a safely on the turning side, adopt the correct driving line. If you turn the wheel to the opposite direction, the front tire will hit the curve. Wow, look at the time. It's dinner time already. Let's call it a day. See you next time, Ninja. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well.